So, welcome to class. We're learning about triangles. So, we're going to be going over our vocabulary for today, and then we're going to go right into the examples. So, speaking of which, we're going to learn about what an acute triangle is, obtuse triangle, right triangle, and equiangular triangle. I don't think I will noticed what equiangular triangle is, but we're gonna do these three for review. So, an acute triangle has sides less than 90 degrees. Alright, what I mean by acute is less than 90 degrees. Okay. So, an obtuse triangle has one side less than 180, but more than 90 degrees. Everyone in this so far? Okay. So a right triangle has one side exact 90 degrees. So an interior of a triangle has 180 degrees. So an equiangular triangle has all sides equal to 180 degrees. Like angles of 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So, this is what an equiangular triangle is. So, now we're going to learn about what these are. Oh. Sorry. It was snagged. So, an equilateral triangle has angles that have the same measurement. Okay. So, now we're going to take that to the isosceles triangle. And isosceles triangle has two angles that have the same measurement but the third one has less value than others. Okay, so now we're going to take that with the scalene. And scalene triangle has no equal sides, has no measurements that are same. As others. Okay. So, that's a lot of writing. I think I might need a notice. So, our learning target is on the sideboard. It says, I will classify triangles. So, we already classified them a little. We're going to be going over an example of them. Okay. Okay. So sorry about that. Ruckus out there. So we're going to be going over 3 examples. So an example has something to do with this. Okay. The variables mean a different number. So, how to solve this? So we have 6x plus 6x plus 6x. They all equal to 18x is equal to 180. So, what do we need to do? Okay. So, we have 18x equals 180. So, we need to divide by 10. No, not by 10, by 18. These two cancel out. So now we have x is equal to 10. So, this is pretty simple when it comes to algebra. Yes, there's algebra and geometry. So we're gonna do a couple of tries. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna give you like 2 minutes to do them. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering what the date is, so if you're wondering what the date is, today is Saturday, January 10th, 2026. So on my assignments, I would like to see all of this. Saturday, January 10th, 2026. You don't have to put the TH or ST or ND or whatever. Okay, that's been over a minute. Sorry if I lost track. So, we have 5x, 5y. So 5x plus 10y is equal to 180. I never add, which I don't like. So, to find the x, we just need to divide by 5y. Wait, no. Never mind. So, x plus 10y is equal to 180 divided by 5. Okay. Does someone have a calculator? And if you do, calculate 180 divided by 5. I'm going to do that too. Okay. Does someone have 36? Okay. Okay. So. Okay, so. Never mind. Yeah. X plus 10y is equal to 36. So. Okay. So 5 times 1 is 90. So we have 18 plus 10y is equal to 36. So we subtract that by 18. y, divide that by 10. Y is 1.8, but I don't think that's true. So, okay. So the actual answers, which I kind of blew this up my mind. So sorry if I spooked you or something. So we're gonna try this. So 90 plus 45 plus 45. So that's 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. 180. Not 181. Sorry. So the answer to number 1 actually is x equal to 14. Like 18. My bad. And y being 9. These are the answers. So now this one is gonna trick your brains a little. So because the 2y plus 1 means that it's an odd number. So it's more than 90 degrees. So we could just divide this into 2. So we're going to do 2z. Wait, no, we're not going to divide this up. Sorry. Okay. Is equal to 180. So So 2x. Okay. So it's gonna be okay. So a wonderful hack that I'd like to teach you all is honest semi-work. So well, I have a protractor. I'm gonna take this extra one with me. So we could know what this is. Okay, so see how it's kind of weird looking? So that means that this angle is 20. So 2x equals 20. So we're solving for x, not y, not z. So 2x is equal to 20. So we divide it by 2 here. We have x is equal to 10. So we're going to learn about the theorem of it the next time that we meet. So, wait, on 2 seconds. Yeah. So, x is equal to 10. Now we're solving for y. So 2y plus 1 is greater than 90. Now never add. It always does this every 5 minutes or so. So, we're gonna. Okay, so. Wait. Is greater than 20. Okay. So 2y is greater than 89. So, we divided by 2, which would be crazy. So y is greater than 44 and a half. So it should be greater than 44 and a half. So like 44 and a half, so it might be 50-ish. I'm gonna check our protractor. $44, I think. So it would be like 40-ish, 50. So I'm just gonna say x is equal to 25. Y is equal to 50. So I'm gonna redraw this because some of it's erased. Not in red, obviously. That's much better. So, and speaking of that, so, we're going to actually solve for z. Are you all done with this? Okay. So, 2z so now I'm going to have to retract it from here. Great. So when I divide this by 2, everyone, so we get this. Z is equal to 15. So, we're gonna test this. Okay, so 2x equals 10 is equal plus 2y equals 50. So 2 times 10 plus 2 times 50 plus 1 plus 2, 15 equals 180. So what do we do first, everyone? Distribution property, correct. So we distribute from here. So it's 2 times 10 is 1, 20. 2 times 50, 100. Oh, okay. 100 plus 1 plus 2 times 15. 30 equals 180. So we're going to combine this. So 20 plus 101 plus 30 equals 180. If this is not true, then we're going to... Okay, so 20 plus 30 is 50. So 50 plus 101 is equal to 180. So 151 is not equal to 180. So it has to be more than 50. For what? So what can we do? 70? Do we that will work? Okay, it needs to be less than 70. 65. Okay. Alright, a little bit close. So it must be 64. So it must be 64 and a half or something like that. So we're done with our first example. So our second example will talk us into is this equal to 180. So is this equal to 180? And no, this is not 790, it's 90. So we have 60 plus 30 plus 90 is equal to 180. So 60 plus 30 is 90. Maybe that way equal to 180. So 90 plus 90 is 180. That's it. So now I'm gonna give you like 2 minutes ish. So
hey, what's up with this out here, guys? As you come here, we'll clean this up. Yeah. What are you guys doing? Are you coloring or something? Okay, alright. When you're done, you're gonna be cleaning up. Yeah.
I have 2 bins of paper.
okay, ready, set, go. Okay. So I think it has been out for a minute. So 60 plus 61 plus 59. So what is that equal? Okay, so we're gonna do 60 plus 59 plus 61 is 180. We're gonna test it. So 59 plus 61 is 120. That's equal to 180. So 180 is 180. So this is kind of crazy. So 90 plus 65 plus 15 is 180. So we're gonna test it if it's actually real or true. Never mind. So 65 plus 15 is 80. So 90 plus 80 is 180. So 170 is not equal to 180. And it's asking us if it's not asking us to find the real answer. And that will be 25, I think. So that will be it. So we're probably done with our example. I'm gonna give you like one more, so that we can all like do our normal stuff. So it's asking us to do a table by graphing. Yeah, it's asking us to do this with graphing. Okay. To find the table with graphing. So this, what is this? X. And what's this vertical line? The Y. So okay. Okay. So here are three given points. Okay. So it's asking us if this is a triangle or not. So it has 3 points, so it should be a triangle. So point 1 on our axis is 8 and 6. So 8 and 6, we go 8 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we go 6 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is point 1. Point 2 on our graph. I'm going to use pink. So we have 9, negative 2. So we go up 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we go 2 to the left, 1, 2. 9, negative 2. Okay. And we have one more point. I'm going to use purple for this. So negative 5 and 5. So we go 5 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I wonder what kind of triangle this is. So without drawing, can you figure out what kind of triangle this is? I'll give you a minute to do so. Okay. So I think I'll spend a minute. So, without drawing, this is a scalene triangle. So, I'll show you the dotted lines. Okay. I'll show you it with dotted lines. This is a scalene triangle. I know my triangle looks kind of funky. So, I'll give you 2 graphs for triads. So, our triad problems. Okay, everyone have this down? Okay. So, we have 8, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5. And for this, we have -6, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10. I'll give you 3 minutes. Oh, not 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Forty seconds. 40 seconds.
No way. Wait, let's show Mom first.
Yeah, I know. Both of my siblings or daughters or whoever.
We made you heart.
What?
We made you heart.
Okay. Thanks. Yeah. Okay. So it's been a little bit over 2 minutes, so we have 8-4, so point 1 on our graph here. Like here. and then 1, 2 here, and then 4, 5. So 4, 5. So these are our points. So for number 2, -6, 2, 4, 5. And then 8, 10. So, I can tell these are both scaling triangles. Maybe, maybe not. So, let's draw and see. Point 2 to point 1, point 2 to point 3, point 3 to point 1. And then point 1 to point 2, point 2 to point 3, point 3 to point 1. My triangles look over. Wow. So, that's all for today. That's all for today's notes. So, thank you, all the people who are watching this. Yep, thank you all for people who are watching this right now.
You want to die? No.